Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to remove the first digit of any number in Excel. I will be using the function to remove the first letter of these numbers. Just follow all the steps that I show here. So we have these numbers. Now what I am going to do is type equals to and double click on this right. So after that I will assign the cell which is A2. So now I would need the length of this number, so I will use the len function and assign the specified cell. If I only assign the length of the A2 cell, then it will only show me the length of that particular cell. So I want to remove the first digit, so I will deduct 1 from that and close it. And there you can see I have deducted first digit from the number column. So if I double click on it, it will show me all the numbers that have been created after I deduct the first digit from these numbers. So to check, I can always do something like this: equals to len and A2. As you can see, there are 9 digits in total. So if I drag this over here, you will see that I have total 8 digits in this cell. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.